Hello, Heather Thrills here. Let's get into a boxing specific warm-up. So first thing we're gonna do is take a nice wide stance, wider than our hips. We're gonna drop the weight into one heel, bend at the knee. Inhale, come up to center. Exhale, shift it off to the other side. So we inhale, center, exhale, shift. Inhale, center, exhale, sit it back onto the opposite side. Go work, team. Let's get through a couple more. Take it as slow or as fast as you like. We're just getting started. We're sure to build some heat after this. Next, we're gonna keep the legs. We're just gonna touch forward, touch outside the feet, touch behind underneath the legs, and then reach all the way up and reset, pull the elbows down. So we got touch forward, outside, behind, and all the way up, dropping the shoulders at the top. We got forward, outside, behind, rise up. We'll call these cherry pickers going forward in the lessons. Let's keep it up. So we're stretching through those hamstrings and the back body. Last one, we'll drop it down for one more. Forwards, outside the toes, behind, and then all the way up, dropping through. We'll bring the feet a little bit closer, about hips distance, bend the knees, shoulder heads face down. We're gonna swing those arms, get into the thoracic spine. If that means nothing to you, no worries. It's just the middle 7 vertebrae. So you wanna think about the twist coming from the mid back. If it's okay with your neck, try to follow the arms with your gaze. Keep this going for 3, 2, start to rock it up. You can peek at me. We're gonna pivot the foot so we warm up the arches and the ankles, swinging side to side, getting into these lat muscles, our big triangular boxing muscles on our back. Keep swinging, pivoting those feet, turn, turn. Use the breath, stay focused. That's it. Then we'll go straight in line with the shoulder, really reach out, push away. Keep that pivot in the foot, and in the hip, we're turning. Turn, turn. Yes. All right, we're gonna take it to reverse lunge. You're gonna take a step back, twist over that front leg. So whichever leg is forward, reset, twisting over that front leg. Thank you. Twist. Maybe you feel that crack in the back like I do, but just try to bend that back knee. Come up nice and controlled, twisting over that front leg. Good work. We'll take a couple steps and open up the hip. 1, 2, 3. Will bring us to the opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, opens up. Have a smile on, have your chest facing up. Feel good about this work that you're doing for your body. Couple steps, opening up the hips. We'll take it out to in now, opposite, out to in. Out to in, there we go. So we're just doing the opposite direction, same drill, keeping the chest up, keeping that smile on the face. One more, each side. Nice work. We'll just let our legs hang. We got circles. Bring in big circles out front. Let it feel good. As if you're in a case of money. You're wrapping your hands around all that money. And then we'll go backwards. Try to draw the shoulder blades down the back. Try not to let the hips come forward. Squeeze through the core. 3, 2, and arms out wide. We got elbows. Elbow rotation, take it slow to start. And then the opposite direction. Let it feel really good. Should be feeling it in the shoulders by now. Let the arms drop. We'll go side to side with the ears. Try to stay focused on the breath. And then we'll go forwards and back with the chin. Looking up, dropping down, looking up, dropping down. Last but not least, we're just gonna do side body stretch. So one hand on the hip, reach over. Pull that elbow to the rib, drop it down to the hip, reach over. Just 2 more times each side, you're almost ready. You should be feeling the benefits of taking this time to get your circulatory and respiratory system up to speed to meet you at the pace you're about to punch through. Thank you so much for joining me. You know me, Heather Thrills. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would make my life so much more peaceful. Thank you so much. Catch you on the next one.